It's a cool fish to have in our rivers. It is our state fish. We should feel like it's an important part of the ecosystem, and we should be proud of this effort to restock Guadalupe bass and get them back into a healthy stream system. We are on the Blanco River, just south of the town of Blanco. We are looking for Guadalupe bass, so we're seining and electroshocking the river with Texas Parks and Wildlife.
Yeah, let's do one more seine haul and then we'll work them up.
We almost completely eradicated Guadalupe bass from the Blanco River. They were hybridized with smallmouth bass.
The Guadalupe bass as a species then was no longer a separate species. There was fears that the Guadalupe bass, the state fish, would go extinct. So this is part of it's a bigger effort to bring Guadalupe bass back.
Shot toward that grass there.
We want to see how the population of Guadalupe bass that we stocked in 2012 and 2013 is doing, so that it tells us if they're genetically diverse, that means that their population is healthier. And it also tells us what we can do in other rivers if this method of getting rid of smallmouth bass and stocking with Guadalupe bass worked. And we're going to take fin clips from those fish to be able to determine genetics.
Well, I hope we get, more numbers of fish that look like pure Guadalupe bass like we did here. But this is just the beginning of, this kind of Edwards Plateau Guadalupe bass restoration initiative. I mean, we're working here, but we're also working in the Llano River, in the Pedernales. And so, it's more about preserving, just the natural beauty and the water that we have available.
Steve's saying these are largemouth bass?
Yeah.